test it. You know what I'm saying? Joe's probably duct taping the whole boat together. Cut. Go up farther and just turn around.
You don't have to go all the way up.
Cut.
At least I can't open it. Well, it doesn't really matter much, but at least I can't open the front one quicker.
I'm just staring at the camera, sorry.
Whenever you need to.
Yeah, that's fine.
Cut.
Wind up your door more.
Maybe you'll sell for cheese today. Cut.
Cut.
I know I'm not buying any.
Cut. 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 Then.
Oh, really? Oh.
Call Hudson. Cut.
On the screen?
Cut.
Oh, yep.
Cut. Perfect speed then. Cut. What?
Yeah, no.
Cut.
Cut.
Cut. Cut.
Oh, really? Supposed to snow nice too.
Yeah, we might not start doing this 2 hours.
Supposed to snow tomorrow too.
They should call it the racetrack today.
Cut.
Like tonight in the morning, ask if they should cancel or not.
Where is it?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Starts in front of the school, I guess, in Ryder. They have like one high school there.
Is Ezra still fascinated by that noise?
No.
Cut.
He used to be though.
Cut.
I used to have to stop there for like 20 minutes. It was quite a while ago. It wasn't even real.
Cut.
He's getting tall since the last time we seen him again.
Cut. See.
Yeah,
It's been a while.
He hasn't been really late though. He just starts to spread.
Yeah, you get until about 18, then it's not being great.
Yeah, yep.
Cut.
Cut. Ducks. Cut. Or geese, yeah. Cut. 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 Cut.
I can't even see
Cut.
the blade anymore.
Cut.
I'm definitely tired of work. We were counting up that first little set of shallow rapids there.
Cut.
It was a slush on the bottom.
Mike thought something was snowboarding.
Cut. Cut. Oh, whoops. Cut. I think that's maybe it's helping a little bit. Cut. Cut.
Takes like 40 minutes to warm up.
Don't push or lean too much yet. Alright. I think a longer paddle actually helps when you're pushing from the front.